at the light, people stop and stare. I'm like, bitch, I'm loaded up, you ought to get you a pair. Stop at the light, people stop and stare. I'm like, bitch, I'm loaded up, you ought to get you a pair. Stop at the light, people stop and stare. I'm like, bitch, I'm loaded up, you ought to get you a pair. Stop at the light, people stop and stare. I'm like, bitch, I'm loaded up, you ought to get you a pair. What it do, YouTube family? What's going on? A little late night in the shop. In the lab, as I say. Got old Delta up here. My boy Claude. Putting old dual alternator setup on there for him. I already got started. Let me show y'all what's going on. What's my plan? Okay, he got a 307. I already took the fan guard off. We probably go back with electric fans. Y'all know how I do it. So far, I'm gonna set that alternator over here. I got enough space. Just gotta make a bracket, make some braces, come from the back. It's a brace. Wait a minute. Let me get that light for y'all. Hold up. Show y'all what's going on. Let me see what I do with that light. Oh, I had it just a while ago, y'all. Hold up. Oh, here we go. Down here in the old basket. Here's Delta clean. Nice. All right. So I'm gonna set him right here. I need to trim up a little bit more, make it fit in there a little better. Then I build off of that bracket. And as you can see, it's gonna be offset. So when I come from the middle off my harmonic balance with my adapter and my serpentine pulley, we can come right here. And then I got room on this compressor bracket and stuff up under here to make me come out and make me a tensioner or whatever I need. So, I mean, it's just to show y'all, you know, sometimes you can use what's already on the car to kind of get you started on some of these motors. Like me, I'm gonna start off using the bracket from the old pollution pump. I'm gonna do some more trimming, make them fit good. Then over here, this is where my little technique gotta kick in. I'm gonna have to do some welding and some bracket making, make sure it's steady. You know, I'm gonna have to work around the plug and the hot wire. I got one of the original brackets right down here. You can see it hanging off to the side. Let me see if I can set the light right here. This bracket right here, I'm gonna use this because it goes right here. So to brace the alternator, I'm gonna use that some kind of way to come from back there. I'm gonna have to do some welding and some crisscrossing, but after it's all said and done, like right now, just with that one bolt in there, down there, the alternator is really already in place, and I ain't even got it tightened all the way. It's just sitting there, but it's already pretty sturdy. So all I gotta do is brace it down and get my serpentine pulley made. I'm gonna have to make some tensioners and probably put a little tensioner for the compressor too, probably up under here, so that compressor belt will kind of wrap around. I ain't gonna have to worry about it flapping or nothing like that. But yeah, it's not gonna be too bad. The only process that probably prolong this is waiting on my homeboy at the machine shop because he be real busy. So I already text him and asked him, do he have the template still from the one that we did on my car. So tomorrow he supposed to check, see if he got the template still, get back with me. If not, we'll do another template, and I'm gonna tell him to hold on, make sure he hold on to it this time, because I mean, I know this is not gonna be the last dual alternator I do on a 307, and I might have to do a serpentine. So yeah, I hope he still got the template. That'll make this go a lot smoother. I'm just hoping he don't take no 3, 4, 5 days to get the pulley back to me, because that's gonna really do me bad. It's been raining out here so much, y'all. A lot of my outside project stuff I ain't really been able to just mess with. I've been kind of ducking in and out. But I got Uncle Terry car looking pretty good too. Let me show y'all right quick. I got his front core support on. I got the hood on. Everything pretty much lined up so far. Got to get a few more bolts for it, and shoot, he cranking up and running already. So Uncle Terry pretty much out of here. Like I said, as y'all can see, it's steady raining. It was just raining a few minutes ago when I walked out here. I got a clean slant back. I told him to give me a few weeks before I even touch it, though. He say he ain't care. He just want to be in line somewhere. So he think he got like a fuel problem. It's not too much though, because he was already driving it. So that shouldn't be like a big project, but you'll never know how that go. But yeah, people, my boy got this 90 lac. We gonna go ahead and pull the transmission, and he gonna go right down the way down there to Manny's and get the transmission rebuilt and put it back in. And he got everything to this car, and for anybody that's interested, he will sell this 90 lac. He got all the pieces to it. He got extra parts. He got insides to it and all of that. It's in pretty good shape. I can show y'all better in the daytime, but it's not in bad shape. It's sitting up, but it's still in good shape. And like I say, he got everything to it. He say the right price will move it. We gonna discuss some numbers. I'll let y'all know. Sure will. But other than that, y'all, like I say, it's steady been raining out here. Like every day it's been raining. Every time I come out here and touch something, it's like I gotta shut it down, run right back in the building. But getting some stuff done in the midst. Yep. I just wanted to give y'all a little update what's going on, man. I know I ain't been posting as much as I should, but it really be kind of hard to kind of keep up with filming and all the ripping and running in around this shop that I be doing at the same time. So eventually I have me a little cameraman or a camera that can follow me. I've been hearing about that, but I do so much moving around so I don't even know if that'll work unless I'm gonna stay in one little area. So I'll work it out. But for now, that's about it, y'all. To the next video. Once I holler at my boy about the bracket, I'll be giving y'all an update on the dual alternator setup. I know some of y'all might be curious on how to learn how to do that yourself. You know what I'm saying? It's really not hard if you got any kind of I don't want to say common sense, but if you got any kind of sense of putting your hands on stuff, I mean, I can kind of walk you through it. My partner OG Wayne, he did his own, and it's pretty successful. He keep burning belts, and I told him he gonna have to change it to serpentine. So you might see OG Wayne car down here, because he is working, but over a period of time when that alternator get a load on it, it's burning the belt. So I told him, gonna have to serpentine it, man. So that's gonna be another bracket that I'm gonna have to get built. So I might go ahead and tell my boy to make 2 of them, because Wayne gonna need one. I forgot about that. But yeah, people, till next time, man, like I say, hopefully in a couple of more days I have an updated video on how this alternator going, and we're gonna get him on out of here so he can go to the next step. I'll let y'all later. Now look at this here, people. This is 10 minutes after I just shot that video. It done started pouring down raining again just that fast. That's just to show y'all how, like I said, keep on raining out here for some reason. Oh yeah, people, in the comments, that little intro that I did at the beginning, that's just something I'm trying to learn how to work this camera, but I want to do a little intro or something at the beginning. Man, in the comments, y'all let me know if y'all mess with something like that or give me some ideas on a cool little intro so I can try to put something together. Appreciate it.